Driving in cars with Des.
Another one. I feel like Henry Rollins, especially that I'm wearing corrosion of conformity. So when the pyramids were being built,
Yes.
right? Do you think they all sat together and decided to have a spike?
You mean, was their project management style? Was it Agile? Was it Waterfall?
Yeah, I wonder what it was. Well, it was definitely more like stalagmite because it took years, right? But do you think they had a spike? Do you think they had sprints?
I definitely think they scrummed.
Do you think it made them faster?
No, there were skilled engineers called masons.
Ah, do you think they actually had what is it that they call it now, because you can't say post-mortem?
Retro.
They had a retro every time they put a stone? Did that stone go well? What stone went wrong? Do you think that happened?
Did they put it in their 4 quadrants?
Exactly, they put in the 4 quadrants. They actually put little they used ochre to put little red dots like a mirror board.
Oh.
Do you think they did that? And as every layer, is that a release?
What about features?
I know,
Do you
but
think they noticed bugs?
now, however, on the pyramid project, I mean, that took a long time. Was it always the same project manager? Because I guarantee they weren't. So did they actually create a new Jira board every time? Did they transition the Jira board? So anyways, what are your thoughts on Agile?
Well, I think Agile started out as a great theory and never went into full practice. And if leadership doesn't adopt the process, then no one will follow through.
No, no one will.
Have I seen it work? No.
Me either. Did it make it faster? No.
No.
It actually made it a little bit shittier, frankly.
Did it produce better code? No.
No, crappier.
I think one thing it did produce is a hatred for project management.
100%. 100%.
And why are you here? And you're not my mom.
You're not my mom. You're not my dad. Why you keep interrupting me, asking me a status every single
You're
day?
worse than the kids in the car on a road trip. Are we there yet?
Are we there yet?
Are we there yet?
That is exactly how project management feels.
And more often, they have no idea what you're doing.
No.
They
no.
just look at a time tracking spreadsheet and go, you're not at time.
It's a checkbox.
Checkbox.
And of course then it's like, well, when is it gonna be done? Is it gonna be this sprint or next sprint? I'll move it to the next sprint. No, you can't move it. I'll move it. But I can drag the... No. I can. Because then I have some PMO meeting next week. Am I on that meeting? No, just me.
Plus, I love that they make meetings to talk about what they're gonna do in the next meeting.
Yeah. Exactly.
And then I have a daily stand-up.
Daily, of course. And then put it on Slack. Are you blocked?
And then I have to give my status updates at the end of the week.
Exactly.
When I have it all tracked on a Jira board.
Yeah, you can go look at it.
But I still need to rewrite it in bullets.
And then, are you blocked? Yes, I am. Can you unblock me? No, I don't know exactly what you're doing. What's your blocker? Well, I need this. Well, can I find somebody to unblock you? I can find them. Or her. No, but I gotta find them. So at the end of the day, we're really back on Waterfall. We're actually making shittier code, frankly. Because now we're pushing it just to make a checkbox. That's really what it is.
Or this notion that you have to have something every 2 weeks.
Yeah.
What if we're just in support mode and the bugs are all worked out?
I think what confused me of project management is that I wasn't sure who my manager was. Because at the beginning, before Agile, and when I was Waterfall, the lead of the teams we'll have the statuses, we'll have the meetings, and then the manager of the organization knew everything that was going on. And that manager will give you or approve a bonus or a raise based on that accountability, right? But now, I don't know of my manager. All I know is from a project manager that doesn't know what I do or how I do it, but is the person technically evaluating my productivity and then reporting upstream on that productivity.
Well, if the purpose was to alleviate developers from having to do, let's call it secretarial work, sending emails, sending statuses, which sounded well and good, but at the reality, the developer ends up writing the emails, writing the statuses.
Absolutely.
The project manager just compiles it from all the other developers that are doing the same thing.
Which Jira
So,
does.
the developers now are becoming savvy to writing their own status updates, creating reports, and creating KPI dashboards, which...
Oh, God. We know that goes nowhere. Actually, you just made me realize something. Project managers, when they started appearing on this whole Agile thing, it was almost to feed that prima donna persona of a dev. Like, oh, they're here for me. To make my work easier, because I am of value. Oh my God.
Oh, well, now we've created a whole industry for these people, and they go and get their PiMP certification, which we have dubbed PiMP because they think they're such pimps. And in a way, they are. They pimp the dev out to this project.
That's true. That is true.
And then they go, "Where's my money?" And they,
"Where's my status?"
Get the baby powder out.
Gotta smack my dev up.
Come on, Chastity. Where's my status? I need it
now because I got my meeting. So yeah.
Oh, you didn't close your ticket out.
Oh yeah, that's the new shame walk.
Yes.
You didn't close. It's a way of shaming you in public.
You didn't close your sprint.
You didn't close your sprint. You didn't update a status. It's a new way of shame.
Shame.
Shame.